Hi guys, Andrew and Ant. Andrew from Accelerate, Ant the Black Knight. So we're here, we've finally finished.
Finally finished this beast.
We're ready to go, and we're just gonna go a quick run around of all the crazy shit he's done to it.
Looks confusing, mate. Over to you.
Well, we got lights for days. So we've done the full Micks HID retros on the front, the Xrays. Yeah, Xrays, Stedis everywhere. So we got Stedis, Stedi spotlights here. I'll drop this, the big Stedi light bar on the front, and Stedis all around, everywhere. Some of them are controlled just on high beam switching. Some of it's all on the TVMS. So there's sort of a camp side and a driving side to the switching on it.
Some nice GME whips in Taupe there.
2 UHFs, 200 amp rapid power water cooled alternator, all the GSL airboxy stuff and GSL tune.
GSL airbox, GSL intake. They put a tune in it as well, so the exhaust as well.
So probably the main thing is all the red arc gear, I guess, for our side of it. So we've got a TVMS screen up here. There's another one down the back. And that's all that camp lighting I was talking about, is compressor and so on. That's all there. There you go, all the UHFs are up here.
Yeah, that's the XRS unit, that one.
And then we've done the cruiser consoles.
Yeah, the cruiser console's put in the center console. They also loaded drawers, which are the same company. They did the rear drawer systems. They've got channels on either side where we've stuck the TVMS and the Manager 30 and the two, what are they, 1225 BCDCs?
1250s.
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 They supercharge the lithiums.
Yep, so we got 2 red arc gauges, and I guess the rest is down the back.
Red arc gauges, boost, EGT, and just the batteries as well. 235s on the Kmart rear bar, which is great, super handy.
All right, there's not much to see here, but we'll tell you about everything that's going on this side's the power side, so you're ready for the list. We got 2000 watt inverter connected to that. We got 2 Revolution lithiums. We got a red arc TVMS, a red arc BMS, and then 2 BCDC 1250s. So while he's driving, the 1250s will turn on. That'll give 100 amps to charge the batteries, and the Manager 30 will give 30 either from alternator or solar, once we put a solar panel on.
Yeah.
Or the solar blanket. So he's got a couple of red arc solar blankets so we can plug into it as well.
Yeah.
That's all down this side, and please don't make me pull it apart to show you, but trust me, it's all in there.
It's all the stuff you can't see that's going to keep us going on this trip.
And then this side is all the airbag man suspension, airbag man in cab controls.
So the cab control is on a key ring.
Yep.
So we can lift the vehicle up and down by pushing a button on the key ring. This here is a gauge that tells us how much pressure is in each one of those bags on the left and right. So you just adjust it based on sight, really. You can take a measurement before you load it up the vehicle and then sort of see how much it sags and then just boost it once it's loaded.
There's a water tank in there.
Water tank's 120 litres up the front on the left-hand side, yeah. Hot water shower, Bush Ranger hot water shower.
Steady. So we've sort of done a floodlight and then a camp light set up here.
Yeah.
It's probably...
They make those nice angulated sort of, what do you call those, seals, so they're pointing down.
Fridge.
Yep, so there's also the tank in there from Airbag Man as well, and that's your fitment for that. So yeah, lots been done there, and obviously the camera for reversing, because I like to reverse into things. Hey, all I can say is thank you very much for all your awesome work. I really appreciate it.
Have a good trip.
Thank you.